Here we got a 69 Pontiac Grand Prix. Yeah, it's raining out. Now I'm getting out my umbrella. It's messed up. See if this camera holds up. Nice interior too. Looks far more modern than a 69. I thought this was, you know, I mean, I knew it didn't have the bumpers on it like the 73s, but the styling is way the hell up there. Pontiac was cutting edge from like, I don't know, I guess 64 on, or even before that, because of DeLorean. Look at the type of handles. You press it in to pull that out, you know. Nice styling. I mean, unique. I'm surprised, and you know, Pontiacs too. They got, I mean, all the blocks are the same too. Like, makes it a lot more simple. No big block or small block, and they make good motors. It's surprising that a lot of people put Chevy motors in them. I think that's just because they were more available, you know. In retrospect, you're thinking that was a mistake. You should have kept it old Pontiac. But this is like a big luxury car that goes fast. So I don't know what they got in here, 400 or something like that, 455, or you know what? It's got a something here. Fortunately, this camera's not going to be able to hold up for it in this rain too long, but don't tell you what exactly engine's in it, I don't think. Maybe I'm not reading it right. Tells you the price though. $3,866 back in 1969. It was an expensive car. And it's got air conditioning. Woo, cruise control. But I think it's got, oh, it's for sale too. Damn. Nice old car.